What's up guys, it's Valery from Sight Forex. Let's see what we expect from the market for this week. Let's begin. Okay guys, let's begin with Euro to US dollar. First, let's have a look at what we expected for the price to do last week. Here we said that we are expecting an impulse. We are expecting the price to go up, to make a repulsion from this daily trend line, then to test this ascendant trend line and to go up. But here we have a news about the inflation in the Europe, after which the price started to go down. We adjust our trend line on this bottom right here, and basically now we are waiting and expecting for the price to do the same. Let's go on a daily chart. We have three options right now. First option is the price to make a repulsion from here and to start to go down to this round level of 1.0s. The second option we have is to break this daily trend line and to make a repulsion from the monthly level and this weekly trend line. Then again to make a downward movement. The third option is the price to break these two trend lines, to break the monthly level, then to make some test and to start a new upward movement. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna see what the price will do and look for one of these options. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move to Great Britain pound to US dollar. Let's have a look what we expected to happen. Here we said that we are expecting the price to make again a repulsion from this trend line, to form a third point on the trend line of this ascendant trend line, and the price to go up. Here, as you can see, the price didn't reach this trend line, but basically done the same thing, forms a third point on the trend line, then breaks this descendant weekly trend line. So now we are expecting to see some test, a correction, and basically the price to begin its upward movement. On a daily chart, if you watched our analysis last week, we here said that we have a trend reversing figure, an inverted head and shoulders, and basically we're waiting, we are expecting the price to go up. So if you have watched our analysis last week, here you will already be on a profit. Let's move on. Euro to Japanese yen. As we said last week, here we enter a short position and the price reached our first take profit. Now we're gonna protect our deal and wait for the price to hit our second take profit. But before that, let's move to 4-hour chart. Here we have a huge impulse wave, so we are expecting to see some correction, maybe to form a third point on the trend line. Let's see, yes, here, this top right here, there is a possibility that if the price makes a correction, it will match with Fibonacci retracement with third point on the trend line and it will form a divergency, which is great signal for us that maybe the price will continue its downward movement. So, as we said, we expected the price to go down and our take profit one is hit. So, if you watch our analysis, you will be profitable. British pound to Japanese yen. Here we said that after this impulse wave, we are expecting the price to make a correction, to make a test on this breakthrough and to start to go down. As we can see, the price did exactly the same, but the price returns more than we expected. It makes a fake breakthrough of this daily trend line, then started to go down. So on 4-hour chart, we expect the price to go down to this Brexit level. We are expecting the price to make a correction to the weekly level because here we have an imbalance that have to be taken. And then the price to continue its downward movement. Okay, let's move to the gold. As we already said, the price made a repulsion from this very strong monthly level. Because in the past years we have seen a huge repulsions of the price from here. So we basically said that we expect the same thing to happen again. The price to make a repulsion from this monthly level and then to start to go upwards. Here we've seen a huge impulse wave upwards. So now we are expecting some correction, a repulsion from this daily trend line to make a correction and then the price to go up. Let's move to the 4-hour chart to see it more clearly. So we have an impulse and a correction, a second impulse. So now we are waiting a repulsion from this daily trend line to make a correction that will match with maybe a 50% or 61.8 on Fibonacci to form a third point on this ascendant trend line. And you can see this bottom right here. If the price makes a correction, it will form a divergence. So basically, if the correction goes to here, we will have three strategies that will tell us that the price will go up. So we are expecting the gold to go up. That was everything from now. We will upload the second video of how to become a successful trader in 10 steps on Thursday. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like our analysis, and see you next week.